Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my wellness planner, which is the classic size happy planner, and it is the black and white vertical classic size. So I am going to be using the same stickers as for the couple weeks before. So we are using the season of color. There's a big one and a smaller one, so I'm going to be using those, and we are planning for the week of December 6th through the 12th. We are fully in the holiday season, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and pick up this large sticker from the larger book, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the lines with the Signa Uni-Ball white gel pen. I really like that one. So here we go. There. Couple more. Fantastic. Okay. So keep warm and snuggle up is what this is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it like so. I think that looks amazing right in the middle of the page. And I want to keep the same color scheme, so we're going to go with the cold blues and greens of this book. I mean, this book has so many beautiful stickers, but I think I want a cold spread, like a cool tone spread this week for some reason. I'm not sure why, it's just what I feel. So bear with me as I flip through this and find the cooler tones, and if not, I will take the value pack and go from there. There we go. Look at these. These are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is cut them just slightly in half with my scissors. Okay, there we go. And then as I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and place half on one side, like so, half on the other side, also like so. And here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and place one more, like on the edge like this. I think that will look quite pretty. And then I'm gonna see if I can do the reversed way here where it's facing the sidebar. Yeah, I think that looks really pretty. Let me go ahead and find another, maybe that Peace and Joy will go right in the center here. And then that's gonna give the same kind of effect of fullness. And you know, like those big pieces are just such a quick plan with me. If you're watching this, like we're pretty much done. All I have to do is add a few more pieces and do my bullet points for tracking. And that's pretty much it. Isn't that fast? So I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I can use in that color scheme in that book that reminds me of winter like this. I'm not seeing anything, so I'm almost done. Almost. Okay, I'm gonna add like couple little details that are just outlines like this. I think that's gonna be really pretty. And then I'm gonna add a tiny one right there. And I'm gonna cut this in half and add it to the top, so it's almost like an outline flowers. So I'm going to do one right there and then one right on the side like this. Perfect. Okay, that looks kind of cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pen and do some bullet points for myself. So I need 5 on every single day, and the way I do them is I track my lunch, and breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, like so, and then any kind of supplements. And then on the remaining boxes I will go ahead and add stuff like how I'm feeling that day, emotionally, and how I'm doing physically. So have I walked a lot, and then my sleep as well, because it seems that my sleep is affecting a lot when I go out of a routine. It really derails me. I'm not sure if a lot of you are experiencing the same way, but when weekend comes and my schedule shifts and everything shifts, my mood shifts as well. When it comes to Monday and I have to wake up early again. So I normally am a very early riser, and I always have been. My boyfriend likes to sleep in, so we're having a little bit of a discrepancy in here when it comes to stuff like that. But I need to figure out how we can either go to bed earlier and get up earlier, or find some kind of compromise. If you guys have tips, let me know. I haven't lived with anyone in many years, so this is a brand new situation for me. And then if you keep a wellness planner, what do you keep track in it? What are your go-tos and what do you like to see? So I started this because my doctors wanted to see what I'm doing, and now I'm just doing it for myself. Anyhow, this is pretty much the whole plan with me. It was super quick, like I said. Some of these are just so quick to fill in, and that's okay, right? That's what happens, and I don't mind them being super quick like this. I'm flipping through to see if I need any boxes or checklists, but I think I'm good. I think I'm doing well, and I don't need anything in here. So thank you so much for spending time with me, and I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Have a great day. Bye.